Fabs, welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. My name is Laura Gilmore and I'm so excited to be sharing today Iconic London's new spring summer campaign. The campaign is called Pretty Girl Season and I know you guys are just going to love it. They've started off with a bang by treating all the iconic babes to two fabulous new launches and I bet you guys are just dying to know what they are. I'm so excited to share that to kick off the Pretty Girl Season we have the new Blurring Blush Sticks and the Cloud Kiss Matte Lip Mousse. I'm so excited to be creating the ultimate Pretty Girl Season makeup look for you guys today, of course incorporating these two new launches. It's going to be a super soft, feminine and unapologetically girly glam, which I'm just so obsessed with. I hope you guys are going to love the look too, and without further ado, let's just get right into it. I'm going to start by prepping the skin with a Velvet Smooth Pore Refining Primer. I love this so much because the Whip's balmy formula helps to diffuse pores to create a smooth canvas ready for makeup application. Moving on to my base, I'm going to be using the Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint. For reference, I use the shade Warm Fair and I really love that this skin tint has a satin matte formula. This means that it allows your natural radiance to still shine through the product whilst drying down onto your skin so that your makeup will last all day. I also really love that this product is super buildable, meaning you can apply as little or as much as you want to create your desired look. Now it's time to conceal and I'm going to be using the Seamless Concealer. For reference, I'm using the shade Lightest Nude and I always like to use a lighter shade than the skin tint. This is going to help me highlight and add definition to the face. I like to pop a small amount of concealer under my eyes and then also on the corners. This helps to really lift the face. I then add to any other parts of my face that I want to highlight, so a little bit in the middle of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose and then a slight bit on the chin. When blending my concealer, I like to use a small fluffy brush and always try to keep it really focused in the areas that I've applied. I'm now going to be adding a soft focus sculpt with a cream face palette. Using the shade Medium Bronze, I'm going to be focusing on the areas that I want to contour, such as my cheekbones, nose and forehead. I absolutely love the soft creamy formula. It is super blendable and it allows you to create a super soft contoured look without the risk of any harsh lines. Now it's time for the part of the tutorial I've been most excited for. I'm going to be using Iconic London's latest launches, the new Blurring Blush Sticks. It was so hard to decide which shade I was going to use as they are all so gorgeous, but I decided to go for the shade Mimosa in the end. This is a velvety soft blush stick which glides effortlessly onto the skin, leaving a soft focused blur of colour on the face. I like to apply to my cheeks, temples and across the bridge of my nose to create a gorgeous sun-kissed girly look. I can't believe how easy the blush stick was to blend. I know this is definitely going to be a summer staple for me. Now it wouldn't be an Iconic London makeup tutorial without a touch of glow, and with that being said, I'm going to go in and use the Hold Up Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. What I love about this highlighter is that the baked formula delivers the effects of a liquid highlight without having to layer too many cream products onto my face. This highlighter honestly melts into your skin. I mean, just look at that glow. Now it's time to tidy up these brows. I'm going to be creating a simple fuss-free brow look using the Tint and Texture Perfecting Brow Gel. I use shade Blonde and I simply comb the product through my brows into my desired shape. I absolutely love how quick and easy it is to create a tidy yet tinted brow with this product. Next up, it's time to use my favourite mascara of all time, the Triple Threat Mascara from Iconic London. The wand on this mascara is really good at catching every little hair, so it really adds length and volume to your eyelashes. I can really see why this is a bestseller. On to another favourite product of mine by Iconic London, the Fuller Pout Sculpting Lip Liner. Today I'm using the shade Unbothered to line my lips. The formula is just so creamy. I absolutely love using this. To finish my lip look, I'm going to be using the new Cloud Kiss Matte Lip Mousse. This is a creamy liquid mousse that delivers blurring colour in a single stroke. I first went in with the shade In the Buff, which I absolutely loved, but I felt this look needed more of a peachy look to tie in with my blush, so I ended up using the shade Dare to Dare. I absolutely love the uniquely designed square flock applicator, which allows for the utmost precision when applying and glides perfectly over your lips to enhance your natural lip shape. My lips feel super soft, the product isn't drying or crumbly, and I absolutely love the finished look. And there we have it, my completed Pretty Girl Season makeup look. I cannot wait to be wearing this makeup all summer long. I just absolutely love blush. I'm such a blush girly. I love that natural flush to the cheeks, looking very sun-kissed. I just feel it's so pretty and cute and I feel like it's such a perfect look for summer. If you've liked any of the products I've used today, they will all be linked in the description below. And as always, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in another YouTube video really soon. Thanks for watching.